So you know they start out like really small, and then when they cook, they get bigger, right? Take a little bit of sugar and a little bit of baking soda. You set it on fire, boom! It goes wow. Now they're way too hot. They can't be close to each other because they're just too hot. So they have so much energy. They have energy because they're hot, and they're like ping, 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 ping. Do you know how you kill fire? If you want to make the fire go away, how do you do it?
CO2.
There we go.
Wow.
So it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Sand, sugar, or baking soda? Which one?
And if you throw it at the ground, it will disappear before then it goes to the ground. Whoa.
Everything stays close together. Like you saw in the video, right? Got the black.
Paper,
Why do you think that is?